Welcome to a new video, everybody. Today I wanted to do a review for a new product that I picked up. I went ahead and got myself a little foam cannon. Instead of getting a pressure washer and a foam cannon, I got one of these little foam cannons that hooks up straight to the garden hose. Now, of course, it's not going to produce as much pressure and probably not as much foam as the other ones, but I figured, hey, for like 30-40 bucks, that's a lot better than spending like 180 on a full system for it. So let's go ahead and give the car a bath here and see how it does. Alrighty, you guys, and here it is, and I've got to say already from putting it together, I'm pretty pleased with the quality. They give you a nice little connector if you do have a power washer and really want to pump some PSIs through this thing. The handle here has a little filter there on the bottom so you don't get any dirt and grime in there with your soap and water. It's also got a little quick release connector right here so you can get it apart really quick and put it back together. The canister here, I believe it said was 900 milliliters, so you can put quite a lot of soap in there. And then it's got a dial here on the top that you can turn that will allow you to push more through if you want it or less. And then the front end here has a nice sprayer that should allow us to get quite a lot of foam out. So let's go ahead and fill this thing up and put it to use. Alrighty, so we'll go ahead and try it on setting A real quick. Oh yeah, that's not bad at all. My dog wants to play in the water. Let's go ahead and bump it up to level C. Oh wow, look at that. It's actually making bubbles that are flying through the air. Wow, that is pretty good. Let's go ahead and take it all the way to the highest setting, E. Alrighty, you guys, I've got to say that was a pretty impressive amount of foam. You can see a bunch of it's already starting to fall off there. So I'll go ahead and finish washing this up. In case you were wondering, I was just using some Chemical Guys Mr. Pink soap. It was just the highest rated with the best reviews that I could find on Amazon. So I figured I'll go ahead and pick up a gallon of it. Alrighty, you guys, I think for a pretty cheap little foam cannon and just some decent soap, that's a pretty dang good job. Thanks so much for stopping by and checking out the video. If you have any questions about the foam sprayer, let me know in the comments. I'll be leaving a link in the description below if you want to pick one of these up for yourself. Again, thanks so much for stopping by, and I hope to see you in my next video.